Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Today, guys, we will take a look at the euro currency. Well, although the action, as you can see, is not very impressive here, but market has made some steps that we will discuss right now. So in our weekly research, we said that market right now stands at some sort of the free space, because here market is not at some significant support, because the next support stands at 127.65 area. It's right here. That will be the major 618 weekly FIB support area. And we said that probably market will try to reach it to get some support to form. If market will start to form any reversal pattern here and will try to initiate some bounce up, that will probably happen from this area, because market should get some foundation first for that bounce. And that probably will happen right at the support. That's why our the first stage of our plan, the first step that we will we have said that we will be monitoring is reaching of the 127.60, 127.70 area. Right now we see that market really could do this, the test this area, because you can see that how the action has developed here. So this plunge down, flag pattern, breakout to the downside, action to the upside, retest of the lower border of this flag, and downward continuation. Yesterday on the news that the United States has started to bomb the Syria, you can see that market has made a really shy attempt to go higher, but has failed and returned right back down. By this action, market has tested the weekly pivot point and remains below this area. It means that the sentiment on the euro currency still stands bearish, and as market has failed to pass through the weekly pivot point, it's probably trying to move lower and reach the weekly pivot support one. But the trick is the weekly pivot support one is 127.71, and it stands very close to our 127.65 weekly FIB support, just 6 pips difference. Okay. Second moment that we see here, that could be some hint on the possible bearish dynamic pressure, because you can see that here trend has shifted bullish, so market has moved above the MACD predictor line that indicates the bullish trend by the MACD. But take a look at the price action. The price action is mostly bearish, and it doesn't support the bullish trend. That makes me think that market really could, since it has no support right here in this area, market really has chance to reach real support. Real FIB support is 127.65 area. So it's very probable that within the couple of sessions till the end of the week, market really could reach this area. Well, taking a look, at least currently, I do not see any bullish signs that could suggest this possible action could start right here. Maybe all that we could get probably is the possible divergence, but I'm not sure, so I could even check this with this simple MACD. But since this divergence stands not at some FIB support, so you can see this mostly indicates the bearish dynamic pressure rather than divergence. And you should be very accurate with the divergences. I prefer to use divergence only if it will form at the FIB support or some other significant support. But here market is not at support yet. And take a look, if even market will reach this area, the trend will remain bullish, so the divergence will not be broken. Okay. So we will take a look at the forward time frame chart. In fact, I have kept the same picture as we have discussed in our weekly research, and currently we do not see any reasons why we should abandon it. And in fact, it doesn't need any adjustments yet. So what we see, market has hit 127 extension of this retracement. We can't call it as the butterfly. That's mostly just the extension, the support area bounce up, retesting of the weekly pivot point right here. By this action here, market has formed pretty looking morning star pattern. As you can see, move up, doji, move down. Okay, that's really bearish pattern that indicates the testing of the weekly pivot point and confirms the short-term bearish sentiment of the market. That's why it makes me think that market really could continue move lower. What else do we have here? Here we have also this ABC top D pattern target right at 2760, 2770 area. Also we have the 1618 extension of this retracement. As we said, that probably should be the head, the bottom of the head somewhere in this area. Here's purple line is the fib support, the weekly fib support. Okay, so now our task will be to monitor how market will move to the downside, to this area, how this could happen. And as the possible scenario, I could show you the hourly chart. For example, that could be the butterfly. Because if you will measure the extension of this most recent retracement, when the market has retested the weekly pivot point right here, you will see that 1618 target stands precisely at 127.63, 127.65 probably. So market could form some sort of the butterfly to complete this action and simultaneously to create the reversal pattern that could trigger the upward action. Maybe some other pattern will be formed, but the major object here is this level. It's 127.65, 127.70. The butterfly will make our task easier because it simultaneously will be the reversal pattern that we could use for an attempt to take in the long position. Because currently, as we said in the weekly research, the CFTC report, Commitment of Traders report, indicates that there was some shift in the sentiment of the market on the bullish side. So the bearish position has been contracted on the previous week. Market is coming to a significant fib support. It looks a bit overextended to the downside. Besides, recent fundamental data from the United States, especially on the real estate market, was not as impressive as previously. So that's also could chill out the rush of the bears, and that could. So currently the chances on the possible bounce, we will not call it as possible reversal, but bounce, yes, the market really has the chances to show some bounce because market really stands in long rally to the downside. And what's more significant for us, the major object technical issue is that market is oversold on the weekly chart, and if it will reach to 127.65, it will be oversold at the fib support, and that is in turn the Judd Napoli directional bullish stretch pattern. That also makes sense for us. So currently, maybe today, tomorrow, we will be watching how market will act, and let's hope that market will finally reach our fib support, where we could start to think about the possible taking the long position.